Diso nga sa kantikon Garo Hills News 24 channel na amchaksua. Dalni katha bichungrang de aham galspe tongba PWD building ko tharipil na government ko mulmula. Meghalaya government the Ministry of Home Affairs na likha sedua. Kindailat biap Patriotic Paradise ungskaha. Local court sa katha mandirang ko police custody na una. National People's Party Regional Committee meeting ko dakanga. Ribhoyo dongba DTO office belongen namjabiaha. Dr. Mukul Sangma, Non-Employment Association ni Agitation Kagabachi Rianging Ronga. BSF 22nd Battalion Tura Aro Border Outpost Laijuri, Sungrangona Riangi Jakatelani ko mani delanga. Meghalaya Government, the Ministry of Home Affairs na chiti siata. Ya chiti ko siata ni magsunga ni de, Indo-Bangladesh border of fencing on Kugija Biaprang, kilometers of Brimang gata dunginga. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong ni aganani gata de, banga songrang ya fence on Kugija gapa biapo ka yan song ni mandirang na kengeni ba unginga. Wanda ke ya fence rang ko tarake tali jaw de song ni mandirang maasigija, no man's land chinari ang nabadunga. Wanda ke Meghalaya government, central government ko daka paksa betpeti, fence kanirang ko tarake dakchina mulmulani ko dakanga. Yan, sima adio donggaba song ni mandirang na aro adok na nalchokani ko para abagano. National People's Party NPP Regional Committee meeting ko Shillong Songjin Mao dakanga. Ya meeting ko Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Thomas A. Sangma, Working President James Sangma, MLA MDC rang ni dongpa anyo dakang ha. Ya meeting ko daw unging ba ubos tarang ni Atsel Meghalaya ni mandirang nanik nikani aro party nanik nikani ko akan na ataha. Wanda ke wamang apsan unge Meghalaya ni mandirang na maksunga ganang kam kana aro Meghalaya ko namdapat na dakang ha. Kindailan biap Patriotic Paradise ungska ha yano dao de banga mandirang ni jaachi reani ko nakna maninga ha. Pales meja gabarang ko jutatani jaman kindaila to rachasa rachagani inetre karang ko bakna jaha. Daude ia biap jup take kasan gapa aro ramari to gapa biapong skaha. Ramarang ko tricolor chi decorate ka ani chi blongin ni tuataha. Yan shilong ni katong bangwa aro manyani salang sokpaingon. Shilong songjunma ko blongin ni tuataha. Pales meja gabarang ko kindaila to ni ko jutatani ra blonge sokapa ha. Wamang ia biapo hajal gini chikungonin palis me chaani ko dakinga jam. Wan dakiya ko dakna hajal gini kolgurgutamoni chanchi dao chusokopa ungaha aru wamang ko nambata biapo nasa jitataha.
Kindailat relocation of the street vendors around Kindailat is a huge achievement. I was checking that the vendors were there since almost 2010. So it's since 15 years. Many people have dreamed of doing this and making this possible. Now, how we made it possible, how this government, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and our department, we made it possible is we did it systematically. Because we cannot do these things in a rush because it's a very complex issue because there are livelihoods of people involved. Then there is the issue of traffic. Then there is the issue of the tourists and how do we make it pedestrian, how do you beautify the city, but without hurting the livelihoods of the street vendors also. So what we did, we first 2 years ago we created a scheme, we created a framework. That's why it's not just an emotional issue, it's a legal issue, it's an issue of taking care of people, inclusivity, taking everybody on board. So we designed a scheme. We spent 6 months designing the scheme. We took the feedback of all the associations, we took the legal feedback, and then in 2023 we notified the scheme. In that scheme we said over the next 1.5, 2 years we will do all these things. So that's what planning is in developed countries. Why are developed countries developed? Because they plan systematically. They plan and then execute. So in some places they say long planning, short execution, like this. So that is, I think, the kind of model that we took here, because what we did a scheme. It was legally correct. We took the views of the vendors on board, and then we did a proper survey. We gave everybody a chance to represent. We did not do anything in a hurry. We did everybody a chance to represent. We did many TVC meetings. I must thank the provisional town vending committee led by Mr. Boro, the DC's team, DC, ADMs, everybody. So we did so many meetings. We took the concerns of everybody on board, and then only we kind of started the process of relocation. And at the time of relocation also, then Honorable CM said the livelihoods of these people, we should support them. So that is where we came up with this support, saying that we will give 10,000 rupees as a one-time relocation allowance, and we will give 2,000 rupees per month for the next 5 months to support that the street vendors also don't suffer any loss of livelihood and loss of income. So basically, summary is it is possible to do if we all work together, if there is great leadership as our Honorable Chief Minister has demonstrated, and we have a wonderful field team in the district administration, and basically planning well and doing it methodically, I think is the way. And using the same principles, we will solve the traffic problems of Shillong. We will solve all the problems we have, the challenges, because in any urban city there will be challenges. If you go to any hill station in our country, there are challenges. But we want to make Shillong the model hill station with lot of initiatives, and that is the direction we are going.
Wanda ke JN Stadium Polo Ground ko tharake thariani ko ba dakaha aro yanon anchingni jakadelani ko sal ko ba manyanggen. BSF rang chochangija songko wara chakna kam kagen chimo ba kosto chaken chimo ba wamang apsan ongani ko mesokna songko wamangni katongo gisakra ani ko dakna songni flag ko rasong chabe e rabataha. Battalion Headquarters of 22nd Battalion Tura aro Border Outpost Laijuri Ramarang namjagen chimoba makarang wagen chimoba wamang asungna kakkete kam kaani ko mesokna bang asung rangona riange apsan jagdelani ko manina Indian flag rangko rasong chabe e songanga aro songni manderang mengba manyanga ha yan asungna kakketani aro rasong onani ko tangchaat pela dokni kona noksuk chiri ina ramarang namjagin chimoba wamang tricolor ko kona noksuk kona sokatani ko takaha. Wanda ke ia tricolor wamang ni jakusan ungja andi ba katungo dungani ko ba mesoka.
भारत माता की भारत माता की
Jakadelani ko manyani sal sokpaon East Khasi Hills Police raken kam kainga East Khasi Hills Police jakadelani ko namme manina manna gata security rangko bari dapataha. Wanda ke police yako adok ko sanong aigija Sima Ario nirokani ko ba raken kam kainga. Superintendent of Police Vivek CM ni akanani gata di adok ko de tumtumani nammen dongaya ndiba police rang somay gata patrol kaani rangko dakinga. Gari rangko check kainga aro intelligence monitoring rangko jakale nirokani ko dakinga. Sima Aryo Nyamgri kam kaani rangko champing na Meghalaya Police BSF paksa bakreme kainga. Aro Sima Aryo Police Station donggobarang na extra security rangko ba donangha ane wiyataha.
Well, so far the law and order is peaceful. And, there's no any serious incident so far. Law and order arrangements have been put in place in the city and outside the city also. There has been intense vehicle checking both during the day and night and all that in strategic areas. Random checking of vehicles have been done in almost every place. And sector officers are moving in the areas, combing in the areas, checking for anything suspicious and all that. Intelligence units are also fully geared up to meet any eventuality and any information. There's been combing operations also in the suburban areas and also near border areas. Border police stations are on the alert, and as we come closer to the Independence Day and all that, I think the alert level also will be heightened, and so I think we are all geared up for that.
GHAD senior employees rang baksa duk chakpaani ko mesokna Leader of the Oppositions Dr. Mukul Sangma TMC ni MLA aro MDC baksa GHAD ni Non-Gazetted Employment Association ni agitation kagabarang ko grung na riangaha. Riboyo Donggaban District Transport Office ni obosta namjabe ha. Ya building ni walara bina aming ha toilet rang obosta dongjaha aro nokhang rang ba selaha. Yan belongin sambao donggaba dokan dakabarang aro songtonggaba mandirang na kengeni onginga. Wanda ki wamani complain ka ani chi dalo Vice Chairman of the State Government's Public Grievances Baksa nungpo ni MDC Kongrona Kimdiet nirok nagata riangha. Nirokani jaman wamang dokan dakabarang baksa Kimdiet Transport Minister Deputy Chief Minister Meng BPT DTO ba I Karmon aro MVI ko grongaha. Wanda ke yarang ko tarake kam kana gata Kimdiet kadongani ko ba onang ha. Aham, Chief Minister ko kalchpe dungaba PWD building ko tharake ni pilthayani ko dakna mulmulanga. The Ajak Holistic Awakening Movement Dadingre Unit Rongchugre West Karo Hills o dungaba Banglo Jayan British ni chasongo Richard Isku kola cheto rekaba ngachim ya nokko wamang niruk nagatari angaha. Aro ya Banglo galchpe dunani asel belongin namjabiaha. Ya Banglo ko aham Chief Minister konat sama ko tharake niruk china mulmulangaha. Ya nokko rekna local nokma aarang ko na hachim wanda ke government ya nokrang ko tharake thari plani ko dakchau de ya aarang ko traditional authorities rang rapul gnok ane aham wyataha. Yarang ni biringo PWD ko local leader baksa bakrame getal project rang ko rabai Jayan tourism ko namdapatna aro ya Banglo Jayan history value donga warang ko repengna geta aham molmolang ha. Mokhirwat ni local court sakata manderang ko police custody na unaha. Ya manderang ko Southwest Kasi Hillso onggaba obostao dosi potter maha wanda ke sakatam ko korto na rembaha. Aro sakani ko de hospitalo sana banani ko nakinga. Ya uyatani ko ngapa Superintendent of Police Southwest Kasi Hills District ni onga. Taal ni kuburang de yang san ya kuburang ni gaman nambate masinas ko de Meghalaya News 24.com ni ko poray naman gen. Sakantikon news 1 ni na matela.